Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix the issue where your printer says that it's offline in Windows 11. So before we start, it's worth reminding you just to make sure that your printer's turned on and that all of the connections are secure. And once you've checked this, we can then jump into the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to need to do is head over to the Start menu, search for Settings and bring up the Settings window. From the left hand side, we need to come over to Bluetooth and Devices, scroll all the way down to Printers and Scanners. Inside of here, we just need to locate our printer device. Mine's this default HP91 here, so I'm going to select that. Scroll all the way down to More Devices and Printer Settings. This will bring up a window that looks like this. We're just going to scroll down to the printer section. Once again, you need to locate the printer that you're currently using, and we're just going to right click on the printer and make sure this is set as the default printer. Once you've done that, we're just going to right click on our printer and select Troubleshoot, and then you can go through the steps on screen to try and diagnose any issues with your device. If that doesn't fix the issue, then we can just close out of here. And the next thing you're going to do is just double click on your printer. This is going to bring up a printing queue. From here, come over to printer in the top left and make sure this option here, use printer offline. Make sure there's no check by this option. So if there's a check by the option, it will look something similar to this. If this is what it looks like for you, then just select this to get rid of the check mark. And once you've done that, we can close out of here and we can check to see if that's now fixed the issue. If that doesn't work, another thing that we can do is head back over to the Start menu and this time search for Services and then click on the Services window. Inside of the Services, we just need to come down and locate a service called Print Spooler. So once you've found this Print Spooler service, just double click on this. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic and make sure the service status is set to running. Then press Apply and OK to save your changes. We're then going to close out of this window and head back over to the Start menu and this time search for Device Manager and come over to the Device Manager window. From here, we need to come over to Print Queues and expand this list, and you should be able to locate your printer from inside of here. Once you've located your printer from this list, we're just going to right click on it, come into Update Driver, and then press Search automatically for drivers, just to ensure we are running the latest driver for our device. And if you've tried all of these options so far and that's still not working for you, the very last thing we're going to do is head back over to the Start menu and search for Settings. Come back over to Bluetooth and Devices from the left hand side, come down to Printers and Scanners, and at the top here, we're just going to select Add Device, and then you'll need to select one of these options to add the device to your computer. So if your device is connected via Wi-Fi, then go ahead and select Show Wi-Fi Direct Printers. If you're going to add the printer manually, then go ahead and select that option. For most of you, it's going to be done through a Wi-Fi connection. So you just need to follow the steps on the screen to go ahead and complete that. And also worth mentioning, if you already have a device added down here, you won't be able to add it twice. So what you need to do is just come into your device first, click on Remove at the top here, and then you can go ahead with adding a new device. And it's as simple as that, guys. By following all of the steps in this video, that should have now fixed your printer offline issue. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.